So the first question here is an expansion of the bracket, so we've got to multiply these numbers or letters together. So x times by 5, but don't forget the x also multiplies the other term inside the brackets. It must multiply, in fact, all the terms in any bracket. So 5 times x is 5x, and x times by x is x squared, and of course it's a negative there, so that would be the answer. Factorise this. Now 3y and 21, I don't seem to have much in common, but remember 21 is the same as 3 times by 7. So in fact, if I write it down, 21 as 3 times by 7, now I can see that both terms that they share a 3. So I can take a 3 out the outside and put a 1 and negative 7 there. And do check, does it get back to where I wanted to go to? 3 times by y is 3y, and 3 times by 3 times by 7 is minus 21, so yeah, it works. Okay? Right, so we've got to make the formula here p. So, and that d is on the wrong side, so I'm going to add d to both sides, that's my idea, okay? And that means I'm going to get an f plus d on one side equals 3p. So it's already starting to look a little bit better. But I don't want 3p, I want to have 1p. So how do I get to that? I need to divide both sides by 3. That's my second idea. So I'm going to have f plus d divided by 3 equals p. Rhymes, there we go. Good. Alright. Now this last part that we're coming up to, I thought was pretty tricky. So Sergio buys n boxes of C's and n packets of C's. Each box contains 10, each packet contains 6. Give me a formula for the total. So we're not looking for an answer, we're not looking for an equals and some number, okay? We're simply saying that there are 10 seeds in each m box. So if I have one box, I'm going to have 10 seeds. That's why I'm going to write 10m and 6n equals t. That's what I think the answer is. I'm just going to show you what happens if I bought one box and one packet. So if m and n both equaled 1, I'd have 10 times by 1 plus 6 times by 1, which is 16, and that's the right answer. So it looks like my formula works. So if in doubt, specialise, do that. You know, stick in a number and see does it make my equation work. If it does, you're probably right. Okay. Wow, look at that. Part B caught a lot of people out. So if it caught you out, make sure you're practicing your factorising. It's do 20, 30, 40, 50 questions, and I promise you, you'll get 4 marks in the exam. Right, here we go. It looks like we did quite well. A lot of B marks there, so they're not giving you much leeway. You have to get the right answer, otherwise you're not going to get many marks.